The following samples have been prepared and packaged for shipment. Asphalt mixtures Marshall Design 81 and 82. Asphalt mixtures Hveem Design by California Kneading Compaction, samples 3 and 4. Asphalt mixtures Hveem Design by Texas Gyratory Shear Compaction, samples 3 and 4. And asphalt mixtures Hveem Design by Colorado 100 mm 4-inch gyratory compaction, samples 3 and 4. The official shipping date for these samples is May 23, 2024. However, your laboratory may receive the samples before that date. On May 23rd, the sample instructions and online datasheet will be released to the participants. Upon receipt, carefully open the boxes and check to see if the sample components were damaged in shipment or if one is missing. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or do not receive your samples by June 6, 2024, please contact us immediately. You should find the following components in the sample box. There will be 1 can of liquid asphalt and 6 bags of aggregate in the following size fractions: 12.5 mm 1/2 inch, 9.5 mm 3/8 inch, 4.75 mm number 4, 2.36 mm number 8, a bag of fine aggregate that is 100% passing the 2.36 mm number 8, and a bag of mineral filler. The can of liquid asphalt and aggregate will be used to prepare a butter batch for each mixture design and 3 specimens for Marshall and 1 specimen for Hveem. The butter batches will be used as the test specimens for maximum specific gravity. The information for preparing the batches can be found in the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please follow the batching instructions with as much accuracy as possible. We recommend that the mass of the size fractions be weighed to within the nearest 0.1 grams of the masses listed in the instructions. The closing date for these samples are as follows. Asphalt mixtures Marshall Design 81 and 82, and asphalt mixtures Hveem Design by Colorado 100 mm gyratory will close on July 11, 2024. The asphalt mixtures Hveem Design by California Kneading Compaction and asphalt mixtures Hveem Design by Texas Gyratory Compaction will close on July 18, 2024. All pertinent information, such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets, can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the data sheets and instructions page. Thank you for your participation, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.